Sanjay lah.
Sanjay.
So, good evening to all my friends and lecturers. Our topic is community sweat and sharing problems. And then, my name is Vishnu.
My name is Dashan.
My name is Sanjay.
My name is Karthik.
So, we're going to start now.
Okay. First, we look at the problem we find out when we do the assignment. First of all, the problem we find out between the people is overconsumption and disposal of usable household items. What causes this lack of accessible sharing system, cultural expectation, lack of trust and structure. What are those impact is resource wastage and environmental harm and weak community ties. Okay, what we do is we get a platform that gonna help to trustworthy, easy to use and sense of community. If you see the commonly purchased household item is gadget, books, clothes and kitchen tools and sport equipment. But mostly people waste the things, kitchen tools, books, clothes and gadgets. As I say, if you see the graph, you can see 57 of unaware of sharing programs, 48% of fear of item damage and 43% don't trust strangers. So that's why we get a platform to get the people trust to use our platform. What to get, they can get more information and they can trustly use our app to exchange the things. If the people have the things that they don't use, they can exchange with others. So that's why other people can use the things that they don't use.
Alright, so next we're going to look about defined phase. So based on our research, we have created our point of statement, which is young families need a safe, accessible way to share items. And then we also ask ourselves, how might we create a trustworthy platform for neighborhood item sharing? And then the last one is we also made our identity SDG 12 alignment, which is reduce waste, support reuse, promote sustainable habits. The last one is will be encouraging reuse and reducing waste to support sustainable living habits. Then next we are going to look about ideation phase. So the tools we use is mind mapping, speed ideation, and then HMW questions. And then we have generated 21 ideas and narrowed it down to the top of 5. So we're going to look about the top 5. Then first one is community sharing hub plus physical centers, digital and physical phase for people to sharing items. The second is monthly swap market, events where people exchange items they no longer needed. Then the third one is apartment sharing lockers, lockers in apartment buildings for convenient item sharing. Fourth is neighborhood sharing cooperative, local group that manage shared resources. The last one is gamified reward system, a system that rewards people with points or badge for sharing.
So this one is our final solution prototype. So our app name is Community Sharing Hub, which is in app and have physical centers also. So it's a combine of digital platform with local centers around Malaysia. And then in the app you can verify the item condition and then the user rating all. And when you are purchasing the product, you can filter the product you want and then come with pickup option where you can pick up the product you purchase, all the prices in the centers, and then with secure transactions.
Okay. Tools to use in prototype phase. Digital tools. Figma, Canva for UI UX mockups. Figma for interface prototype user flows to Plus for UI UX mockup presentation.
Display interaction and collab designs. Materials, sketches, wireframes and mind maps. Sketches for interior concept, wireframes for layout, structure and mind maps organize the idea and user journey. This bridge concept to digital implementation. Okay, future shows, homepage, search, filter, item, upload, booking process. Future shows, core functional includes homepage, entire point, search, filter for finding item, upload, category, quality, confusion, booking process for sharing transaction. Okay, STD supports. Environmental benefits. Lower carbon footprint. Lower CO2 reduction costs reduce over new purchase supporting STD plus consumption and production and waste production preventing landfill disposal. Community impacts. Building social connection and sharing habits. Building social network encourage collaboration, communication and shared resources by sharing existing items rather than manufacturing new ones. Okay. Reduce waste. Reuse items instead of throwing them. Okay. Save resources. Less demand for new production.
So this is the visual of the app, and then so it's like in the slide you can choose what product you want and then filter it, and then you can look for the user rating, whether it's trustworthy or not, and then is it a scam or anything, and then all the things. Then conclusion. So it's an app to address waste and overconsumption and offer safe structured community sharing. Aligned with SDG 12 goals, and then customizable for local governments and communities. That's all from us. Thank you.
Hopefully understanding.
Before this dah ada belum orang buat teks ni?
Apa ni?
Before this dah ada orang buat belum?
As we research, there is, but not this much details, because we verify before we exchange the things between people, and then also we can ensure before exchange the things, we ensure the things is perfect, other people can use.
Filter dulu lah maksudnya.
Yes.
So if you truly nak invest dalam benda ni, you rasa what is your biggest limitation?
Biggest limitation.
Yes.
You mean?
Limitation maksudnya maybe you punya cabaran lah.
Cabaran.
Yes.
Get the people just
Okay.
to use the app, because there is already a lot of products like what reduce the
Apa contohnya? Apa contoh apps yang dah ada?
we don't mean by the app, we mean by the product. We get the app, people, because a lot of people have a phone. In just few clicks, they can get the things easier. So there's already in the market a lot of product available, like water bottle. If you see, a lot of people use the metal water bottle instead of plastic water bottle. And then there's there's already many apps in the market, in the online platform. But if we ensure safety, we means we get an app that
It is not your limitation. It is not your challenges. Contoh lah macam dia cakap your biggest challenges tapi in terms of trust. Okay, itu betul sebab dia cakap ada platform lain yang orang boleh guna. So my question is, apa contoh platform lain? Sebab saya tak pernah tahu kewujudan platform macam ni.
Then it will be our new
is
platform.
new platform we created.
So you have no competitors.
We have
Siapa competitors you?
we do resist them.
So far there is no existing app or anything else. Maybe we are the first one to produce this.
Answer dah tak sama. This one cakap ada, this one cakap tak ada. So which one?
Tak ada. Because since we do this app, we actually didn't research properly, but then it's just so we're not sure about it. But if there's no app, means this will be a breakthrough in the market, and then we will gain a lot of profit.
So research tak detail lah.
Not so easy.
Okay, maybe my question arises from your report yang cakap based on your prototype development. You said your prototype development you use holistic multi-tool framework. Apa benda tu? Holistic multi-tool framework. Baik tahu ke ni? Saya nak tahu.
Sorry, can we get no, the meaning of that word?
Saya tak tahu.
நீங்க தான் மீனிங் சொல்லணும். உங்ககிட்ட தான் மீனிங் கேக்குறாங்க. நீங்களே வாய் கொடுத்து மாட்டிக்கிறீங்க.
Wait, miss.
Korang Google lah.
மாமா மாட்டி கொடுத்து.
Kalau kau dapat jawab sikit je lah.
Let's say the question.
Dah baca. Kau benda pelik banyak.
10 seconds to figure out.
விட்டுருங்க.
Sampai lagi 2 minit tak? Setengah tutup soalan. Sebenarnya skip. Skip. Dah. Skip tak perlu. Okay, tu je lah daripada saya. Okay, thank you. So next group. Next class.
அது முதல்ல